Tanya, how are you? Good to catch up with you.
I know, and that too after ages. We met during Pataka, I remember, in Delhi.
Yes, exactly.
That was
How
the
are you
last
doing,
time.
my fellow Dilli wali?
I'm doing good. I'm in Delhi with my घर वालास.
अरे तो घर पर आके मिल जाते हम लोग.
Yeah, I know. अरे हाँ, you could have come home. खाना नहीं लाती हूँ, राजमा चावल.
अरे टिपिकल या पंजाबी डिश. एनीवेज, एक बात बताओ, आप मैथ्स में कितनी अच्छी या बुरी थी जब स्कूल में थी?
Okay, घुमा फिरा के आंसर that. I was really good at maths. Like I think maths was my first, like it was my favorite subject till 9th.
अरे यार, फेवरेट भी था. चलो.
After that, everything, because नहीं होता ना equation ऐसा नहीं कि बैठकर आप रट्टे मार रहे हो और याद कर रहे हो. So it was my favorite subject till 9th. But after that, everything, like I don't know what happened. Like I started hating maths to an extent that I'm petrified of it.
So that makes two of us.
एक तो समझ नहीं आई. 12th में दो ट्यूशन गा के भी मेरे मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आए. So I'm not good at it.
So that makes two of us, because I also freeze when I see a math sum or numbers. So, I mean, and you're playing Shakuntala Devi's daughter. I spoke to your real character a while ago. So, उन दोनों का relationship भी कोई math के formula से कम नहीं था. उलझा हुआ था थोड़ा बहुत.
That's true. That is so beautiful. You have actually put it in a very right like sentence that सच में उनका relationship काफी उलझा हुआ था. And I think that was the uniqueness of their bond. That mother-daughter relationship was so unique. And I think in our film industry, I haven't seen such relationship between a mother and a daughter yet. So our film also, though we know that Shakuntala Devi has achieved so much. We know about her achievements. We know that she was ahead of her times. But she has such a colorful, maybe I would say such a roller coaster ride with her relationship, like in her personal life. So that is also we are covering in the film, and that's beautiful.
So
like,
I mean,
what equation? उलझी हुई equation.
सही में एक पहेली वैसे, which I mean, I'm sure she sorted it now. As she said, you will see it in the film. But आप और real life characters का क्या है यार? दंगल में भी a real life character, इसमें भी a real life character. Is it easy or tough for an actor?
Playing a real life character is definitely tough, because as an actor, and you try your best to be as similar or as close to the character that you're playing. दंगल में कहीं ना कहीं छूट थी for us to be and for us to do whatever we wanted to do with the characters, because it was not completely based on their lives. It was inspired by true events. This one was completely inspired. It is a biopic. It is a complete biopic. So our job, like my job as an actor, was to look like Anupama Banerjee, also convince myself that I'm doing a good job as her. And I was also petrified कि उनको कैसा लगेगा? Will she be fine with my performance as her? Like, it's obviously it's a very tricky situation. तो काफी challenging होता है.
And also, it was an all-female crew. You have a female director. I mean, it was basically a lot of feminine energy. So what was it like? Is that set any different from another set? What is it like? Or is it same?
I, as an actor, can't pinpoint if there's a difference between a female-led set or a male-led set. Definitely, it was my first to be working with a female director, but it was beautiful experience. And yesterday in an interview, Anu Menon said a very beautiful thing, that she said that there was no difference, but there was a lot of empathy and not sympathy. You know, when it's actually, I can't like put it in words, but there is something definitely different when a woman is telling a woman's story. You know, there's definitely more empathy than sympathy. That is what I.
So what was tough for you to play Anupama Banerjee? Because the thing is, they had charted their own path and it's her story also. What was your takeaway? Did you bring anything? Like Vidya also said that I knew about Shakuntala Devi, but I also brought my little bit of my own into it. So how did it work for you?
So for while I was prepping, I didn't get to interact with Anupama Banerjee at all. So the material that I had in hand was the script and the information that Anu Menon used to give me, because Anu is really good friends with Anupama Banerjee. And since she has written the script, obviously she did all the research for the script. So while I was prepping, you will also see my character in the film is going through a lot of stages in life. You will see her as a teenager, as a kid, and then you will see her growing up throughout the film. So for various stages, we had to also fix the hair, makeup, look, costume, which I won't take the credit for. The credit goes to Niharika Bhasin and Natasha Matthias, who did my makeup. But just the psyche bit, I had to get the psyche right. Obviously, as I said, this is a very unique relationship that we haven't ever seen. I share a very different bond with my mother. She's like my best friend. Though we do fight a lot, but we like somewhat like we she's like my best friend. I tell her everything. I disagree with her, I agree with her at times. So that part, that area of the script and my character was something that I had to work on majorly. To get the psyche right, कि ये लड़की बचपन में क्या गुजरा होगा to be with a parent like Shakuntala Devi. She had achieved so much. I'm sure कि वो उसने अपनी माँ को देखा होगा, तो उसको भी लगता होगा why is she not normal like मेरी फ्रेंड की कोई मदर, है ना? Because there's a dialogue which she says कि why can't you be normal? आप normal क्यों नहीं हो सकती हो? To which she beautifully replies कि जब मैं amazing हो सकती हूँ तो मैं normal क्यों बनूँ?
I think we should all.
हम माओ पे ज्यादा प्रेशर डालते हैं. हम माओ पे प्रेशर डालते हैं to be perfect. मेरे को लगता है ये फिल्म पे I think there will be a major takeaway for the audience and the people who are watching it.
True. And Vidya said the same thing as well. You know, we put too much of pressure on mothers as such. And now, एक और पहेली है आपके लिए. बॉक्स ऑफिस के नंबर्स आसान है क्रैक करना या मैथ्स का फॉर्मूला? आपकी 2 फिल्में आ रही हैं डिजिटल पे. People are happy because it's accessible to more, and you are मुक्त from that opening day collections. So आप बताओ, what is easier, box office numbers या मैथ्स का फॉर्मूला?
I think box office numbers तो मैंने पूजा कभी देखी नहीं है. मैं तो मतलब 4 साल ही हुए मुझे. And this is something that I never get into. मेरे को पहले तो मेरा काम का प्रेशर मेरे सर से उठे कि मैंने परफॉर्म कैसे किया है, क्या मैं सही एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ, तब तो मैं नंबर्स में जाऊँ. जितने टाइम में मैं अपने आप को क्रिटिकली अपने आप को रिव्यूज कर रही होती ना अपनी फिल्मों के बाद कि ये सीन में तुमने कितना खराब परफॉर्मेंस किया, ये अच्छा होना चाहिए था, ये सब से मैं हटूं तो मैं देखूं कितने नंबर्स हो रहे हैं. So I think in that way, I think maths का equation would be easier for me. Numbers में ज़्यादा घुसती नहीं हूँ. Actually numbers और मैं friends है ही नहीं.
But anyways, numbers have been your friends. I mean, come on, look at Badhai Ho and look at Dangal and critical acclaim for Pataka, and this everybody is just waiting to watch. But as you said, you're very critical about your performance. Are you one of those very critical performers who are, critical about your performance? Yeah.
I think being critical is very nice, but I go to an extent where I'm too harsh on myself. I'm working on it. I know where I need to stop and give myself some credit for the work that I've done. मैं नहीं देती हूँ. मतलब मैं कुछ भी देखती हूँ तो मैं कुछ ना नुक्स निकाल ही लेती हूँ. जो मुझे ही दिख रहा होगा वो कभी कोई देखेगा नहीं आसपास का, पर मैं उससे भी बता दूंगी आपको अच्छा लगा नहीं, उस सीन में ये गलत था. So I'm too harsh on myself there, and I don't give myself that break. I have to stop doing that. And I'm consciously trying to do that because I then don't enjoy the process. Then I'm constantly thinking कि हाय ये मैंने क्या कर दिया, हाय मैं अच्छी acting नहीं करती. But I think I should start giving myself. I'm actually working on it. I will give myself credit after this film comes out.
And I hope you do, because I can relate to this thing about being overtly critical about the self, because I go through it too. And also since it's just a कीड़ा.
हाँ सच में this feeling of being वो मेरे को शब्द भी मिल गया ना इस feeling का, imposter syndrome, जहाँ आपको लगता है आप fraud हो, जो आपको मिल रहा है वो आप deserve नहीं करते हो. वो feeling मतलब मेरे को लगता है ये pandemic में मैंने काफी अपने ऊपर अपने बैठ के देखा कि मैं क्या क्या गलत करती हूँ, पर ये एक चीज थी जो मैं वर्क कर रही हूँ इस पे consciously ना.
And rightly said, a lot of actors do suffer. A lot of people suffer from that imposter syndrome. But also, आजकल pandemic है, negativity है, और आजकल जो बातचीत भी हो रही है ना, debates की, agendas, mudslinging, what is your take? What would you like to tell an outsider in the industry, somebody outside who wants to make it in the industry, is currently struggling? What would you want to tell that person out, somebody who's been in the industry? What is the message you want to give out?
I would say that I too, I don't want to call myself an outsider. I don't like that word. There should be a better word for it. I was not, I had no idea about the industry when I moved from Delhi to Bombay. I had no connections at all. There were days where I had no work and I used to just sit and wait for a call back. There were periods of like stress and I used to feel ki, hi, kaam nahi aa raha, should I go back to Delhi and stop being a pressure on my parents? पैसे मांगने में भी बड़ी शर्म आती थी कि काम नहीं आ रहा है, can you please transfer some money? ऐसा नहीं था, my parents couldn't afford it, they could, but वो feeling आता है ना कि खुद से करके दिखाना है वैसा टाइप. पर मुझे लगता है मैं यही बोलना चाहूंगी कि don't ever give up on your dreams. That's what I did. Even whenever I used to feel I think I should pack my bags and go back to Delhi, in back of my mind, I used to pack my bags and come back to Delhi, spend some time here and then go back there ki bhai, I can't give up on my dream. So if you know that being an actor or being in the industry will make you happy and that is your calling, don't give up on that. Do not give up on that.
And we've seen you dancing like a dream. You are a fabulous dancer. When are we going to see you in a song and dance film? Yeah, सब intense role मिलते हैं आपको.
सच्ची में मैं तो परेशान हो गई हूँ. मतलब I've been putting this out in the universe. 4 साल हो गए मुझे. मैं अपने Instagram भर दिया डांस वीडियोस से, ठीक है, और लोग कॉपी करके उसे YouTube पे भी डालते हैं. तो ये it's not that I'm not projecting it out there. ये मैं अपनी एफर्मेशन में रोज बोलती हूँ कि हाय मुझे एक डांस फिल्म मिल जाए अच्छी. But I'm waiting. I'm very positive that one day I will get a very good script where I will dance. I will like just go all out. और ये जो मेरा सपना है ना to do a dance film will come true.
और किसके साथ डांस करना चाहोगे वैसे?
पहले तो मैं खुद कर लूं. पहले मेरे लिए कोई स्क्रिप्ट डाल दो, कोई भी चलेगा, मुझे कोई बना दो बस स्क्रिप्ट.
And coming back to Shakuntala Devi, what was it like working with Vidya Balan? So she seems to be so vibrant and into everything, you know. Energy hai. She's like a 440 volt.
Sach mein. Off and on set as well. Like off camera, on camera, Vidya is a personality which she's like a magnet to happiness and joy. Like around her, with her, you will never see anybody in a bad mood. You know, like she is somebody who made our team, our whole set like a family. Whenever she used to be on set, I used to be the happiest person. पहले मैं to be honest काफी nervous थी. For a day or two I was like, अरे विद्या बालन के साथ काम करने को मिल रहा है, चुप ही रहो, better होगा, अपने आप को embarrass मत करना सान्या कुछ भी कह के. But I think she only broke the ice for both of us, and after that there was no looking back. We had so much fun on set. She has such a witty sense of humor. She makes everyone feel so special. I just loved working with her.
Awesome. And now how has the lockdown been for you? वैसे 4 महीने, because actors को तो इतना time नहीं मिलता है, और आपकी 2 पिक्चरें भी आ रही हैं, लूडो और पगलैट, तो कैसा था?
मतलब मेरे लिए तो it's a win-win. मतलब pandemic में भी I'm glad that Shakuntala Devi is releasing on Amazon Prime Video, और इस time पे भी I'm able to like entertain audience. So मेरे को लग रहा है कि I'm quite blessed and grateful कि इस time पे भी मुझे ये मौका मिल रहा है. It's been a roller coaster ride, Pooja, to be honest. पहले 1 महीना was all productivity. I'm going to use this pandemic well. After that, it was all, hey Bhagwan, ये क्या हो रहा है? मुझे बचा लो type. But we all were going through this pandemic together. I think for all of us, it was like an emotional roller coaster. मेरे साथ भी वही हुआ. And I didn't want to come back to Delhi to be around my parents. I was scared and I wanted to be as careful as possible. But I met with a small accident in Bombay. And since I was alone and there was nobody to take care of me, I had to come back home, and I'm glad now I'm with my family. और इतने लंबे stretch के लिए तो मैं 5 साल हो गए मैं नहीं थी अपने family के साथ. तो मैं अभी मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और काफी अच्छे जगह पर हूँ जहाँ मेरे पास मम्मी पापा हैं. अगर मेरे को रोना भी आता है तो मेरे को स्ट्रेस भी हो रहा होता है, तो I have them to talk about it.
And घर के राजमा चावल भी खाने को मिल रहे हैं.
खाने की तो बात ही मत करो. पूजा आपको तो पता है दिल्ली का खाना is best food ever.
Which is so true. And it's just so interesting. I like your choice of roles. But do you feel we tend to also box people? Because if you play certain characters, like Vidya also said, they just feel कि इसको ऐसे ही role suit करते हैं, while the actor is like, I can do anything. Do you think that the industry tends to box people? And with OTT, that might change.
हाँ, मतलब मुझे अभी तक I don't think so. I don't think so. I've been boxed by anyone. It was my subconscious effort करना और मैं सब कुछ करती आ रही हूँ. I've been experimenting with the looks of my characters. I've been experimenting with the type of scripts that I do. I've been experimenting with everything in my career. अभी 4 साल ही हुए हैं. ऐसे career तो ऐसे बोल रही हूँ जैसे 10 साल से हूँ मैं. पर 4 साल में भी मैंने कितनी 5, 6, 7 फिल्में कर ली हैं और वो सातों की सातों बहुत ही अलग जॉनर है. सबका कैरेक्टर अलग है. सबकी जर्नी अलग है. तो मेरे को लगता है कि अभी तक मैं तो बॉक्स नहीं हुई हूँ और ये चेंज आ चुका है क्योंकि now writers are writing scripts which are heavily content driven. पहले होता था कि सेम टाइप की फिल्में बन रही हैं जो चलता आ रहा है, जो ऑडियंस पसंद करती आ रही है. Now the audience is so smart, you cannot fool them. With so much to watch, they have watched everything and they want to see something fresh and new. You can't fool them if you're going to copy some film which is already there on some OTT. तो मुझे लगता है बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा at this point to box an actor in a specific role or a genre.
And Akhirkar, which is that one change you want to now see in the industry? Because after COVID, lots been changing. There's a lot of talk, might go in a positive way. What is that one change as an actor you want to see?
That one change as an actor, yeah, I did talk about it in some other interview, is that the importance of taking breaks. I think in our industry especially, there are no weekend. People are not taking breaks. If we are shooting, then we are constantly shooting. और सैटरडे को भी शूट हो रहा है, संडे को भी शूट हो रहा है, मंडे को भी शूट हो रहा है. तो वो एक मेंटल ब्रेक नहीं मिलती है एक्टर को ही नहीं, मैं कह रही हूँ पूरे सेट को नहीं मिलती है. तो मुझे लगता है कि अब पैंडेमिक में तो हमें एक चीज सिखा दी है कि सांस लेना बहुत जरूरी है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप बैठे हैं एंड यू आर जस्ट विद योरसेल्फ, एंड आई थिंक टू कीप योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट देन योर करियर एंड योर वर्क दैट यू आर डूइंग. आई थिंक दैट चेंज, आई होप इट हैपेंस. नहीं भी हुआ तो खैर हम तो अडेप्ट कर ही जाते हैं ना, हम इंसान हैं, किसी चीज को भी अडेप्ट कर लेते हैं.
But it's amazing speaking to you. You're so vivacious and so positive. वो vibes मिलती हैं. Just be the way you are. And एक बात बताओ, इतने लंबे बाल इसमें, इतने छोटे बालों के बाद वो अच्छा लगा था? इतने लंबे लंबे ड्रेसेस, आपका बड़ा मन होता ना लंबे बाल.
मुझे याद है लंदन में तो जैसे ही शूट खत्म होता था मैं वो विग हटाती नहीं थी सर से. मुझे लगता था ये अच्छा लग रहा है. एंड my family, so my extended family lives in London. I called them up one day and I was like, घर आओ मिलने आ जाओ सेट के बाद, शूट के बाद. I met them. They were not able to recognize me because मैंने वो wig पहन रखा था. तो मैं सामने से निकल गई 2-3 बारी और मैं देख रही हूँ मेरे तरफ देख क्यों नहीं रहे. They were shocked. और मुझे बड़ा मजा आया था उस लुक में. मैं घर पे भी पहन कर आ जाती थी सेट के बाद.
Thank you so much. And lastly, is there a motto you live by? Is there a quote that वो होता है ना, किसी का एक चीज होता है that you abide by, live by, a quote that inspires you?
Mine would be never to give up यार. कोई भी situation हो, जो आपका core कहता है ना, listen to it. Mine would be listen to yourself. Whatever makes you happy, do that. Whatever doesn't make you happy, do not touch it. It will never work for you.
Well said. All the very best. Can't wait to talk to you again. And keep smiling, be healthy, and well, keep entertaining us. What more?
Thank you so much, Pooja. It was
Thank you
lovely
so
talking
much.
to you.